The Year of Three Kings, a comprehensive historical overview. These periods are usually marked by sudden deaths, political instability, or constitutional crisis. England's turbulent successions 1016, 1066, and 1483. England has been several such years, each changing the course of its history. Second, France. The end of stability. Over 300 years, France had stable father-to-son succession till 1316, when Louis X died in June. Third, Buganda, 1888-1889. African power struggles. The entire period of transition of the three kings. Fourth, modern transitions, 1936 and 2001. The year of the three kings is not just accident of history, it is occurred in the modern era as well. In 1936, United Kingdom, the year began. Edward VIII and George V, who caused the constitutional crisis by adopting in December. This led an expected accession of the George IV. Nepal, 2001, a violent royal massacre saw death of King Birendra. The Pitrotter Crown Prince Dipendra was named king while in a coma, only to be succeeded 3 days later by his uncle Gendra after Dipendra's death. Border contest. History also records similar rapid transitions in their offices, such as the year of the three popes, the year of the four imperial Roman Empire, and the several years featuring three different prime ministers in various countries. The term Year of the Three Kings refers to specific years in history when a nation experienced three different monarchs or major claimants to the throne within a single calendar year. These periods are usually marked by sudden deaths, political instability, or a constitutional crisis. Perhaps the most iconic year in the English history, after Edward the Confessor died in January, the throne was claimed by the Harold Godwinson, Harold Hendra, and the William Conqueror, making the third king of the year.